Cryogenic cooling system. This is the oil tank. You have to fill the oil. This is the oil tank jet valve. This is the NRV, non-return valve. This is the cryogenic input. If you have the cryogenic tank, you are going to give the input supply here. This is one jet valve, one NRV. This is the pressurized air, compressed air inlet. This is the flexible coolant supply system. So you have to open the gate valve by oil. So depending upon the open, the oil output will come. Depending upon that one, the oil will come. If you want the pressure, you have to open the similar like this coolant oil is coming. Depending upon the oil level, you have to adjust the gate valve. Two gate valves. You have to adjust the gate valve. The pressure and the oil amount will be varying. Actually, no need of pressurized air. Actually, cryogenic air having advanced period will be coming a liquid to air. That is enough for the supplying. The additional purpose we are using the air supply. If we don't want air supply for the close that one, you want to open cryogenic only. This is the concept of the cryogenic cooling system.